Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best tailgate light bars on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Partsam Red Clearance LED Light Bar. This option is a simple, affordable and we'd say more tasteful way to add visibility to the back of your car, truck, camper, or trailer. This LED light bar has its lights arranged in 3 clusters so that it looks more like a trio of traditional marker lights instead of a full-width LED bar. Easier to install than a full-width bar, it is also more discreet. It offers running as well as braking lights to show drivers you're stopping, and an amber bar is available to add a matching set of lights to the front of your vehicle and either improve front visibility or just give your pickup big rig looks. One-wire installation thanks to a ground through one of the 3 mounting screws makes wiring a snap. The 14.25-inch wide bar has a black powder coating for durability and corrosion resistance as well as giving it a better look to go with your vehicle. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nilight Tailgate Bar 60-inch triple row LED strip. This recommendation features 504 LEDs lined up in 3 rows for extra brightness, measuring 60 inches wide, and the manufacturer says it will light up the night with an output 300% more than other light bars. 6 functions also do their part to make sure that you're seen by every other vehicle behind you. There is a dark red running light, a bright red light for when you apply the brakes, white lights for when you're reversing, and when you go to signal there are sequential amber lights. A sequential strobe light for emergencies makes it even easier to be seen on the side of the road. Installation is easy thanks to the included peel and stick adhesive tape, along with an adhesive enhancer that makes it hold to your tailgate even stronger for longer lasting grip. If you want more than just tape, this light strip comes with 3 brackets and self-tapping screws. Number 3. Our third best pick is Putco's 60-inch blade LED tailgate light bar. This is one of the more premium options on our list, offering some features that others don't, but it comes at a price. It uses Putco's own chip-on-board LED lamps that are high-powered for extra brightness and maximum visibility. While the company does offer other colors, including blue and white options for law enforcement, this particular part number is for red and white, meaning you can use it on your truck. It's stacked with more LEDs than most other brands, with over 2,000 on this blade installation, and that makes you even more likely to be seen. With this many lights, it looks more like a neon tube than a light strip, without the fragility of neon. An IP69 waterproof rating means that it can withstand high temperature, pressurized water, which is something more severe than you're likely to see on the road. Quick connect harnesses that are vehicle-specific ensure easy connection and durable operation. This bar offers red brake, running, hazard, and signal lights with white reverse. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Online LED Store LED Tailgate Light Bar. While many of these bars offer a full-width reverse light, not everyone wants that as a feature. Because sometimes you just want to reverse, not tell the entire neighborhood about it. Plus your backup camera works quite well in the dark anyway and can be confused by all those LEDs. Instead, this bar offers just a thin strip of white LED lights for reverse, directly above where your license plate would normally be. It offers tail lights, brighter brake lights, and sequential amber lights for both the turn signals as well as hazard lights, but that narrow reverse light sets this bar apart. So does its construction, because instead of a flexible bar that can lose its flex over time, this LED bar is built with a rigid aluminum frame, with LEDs enclosed in silicone. That means mounting with tape or included clips, but the rigid frame makes this bar much more capable of absorbing shock, vibration, and impact. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Master Tailgater's Truck Flag Swirl LED Pole. Okay, this one is more for show than for visibility, and that means that you probably don't want to be using it on the highway, at least depending on your local lighting regulations. It's a flag pole designed to attach to the back of your truck, and the 5-foot whip has more than 300 LED lamps. 8 static colors and 16 brightness levels. Just begin to scratch the customization available from this light bar. A wireless remote lets you control the 143 light modes and 10 speeds. From solid colors to rainbows of every type, to the red, white, and blue for you to wave the digital LED flag. This recommendation will make your truck stand out at whatever show you're attending, and installation is quick and easy thanks to a billet aluminum mount that slides into your truck's hitch receiver. The LED bar can be changed to different angles and has a quick release if you want to take off the lights but leave the hitch connector in place. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.